Okay, so I have two new Lego puzzles. The objective of each one is the same, and that is to move the ring that is on the inside. I decided to make two of these just because I love the first one that much. This one right here is level 2. This one's level 1. We can go ahead and start with level 1. And yeah. The solution to this one is actually pretty simple. You just pull here. This piece unlocks. And that allows you to remove the ring. Okay? And it's that easy. And I'm not going to be breaking this apart for a tutorial. You can kind of tell how this is built. You can tell how the ring's built. You have like this part right here. Okay. And these holes don't do anything. They're just misdirection. You have a stack of bricks right here. Another brick. Tile that goes on top. We have two walls. They're the exact same. Whoops. And yeah, this is the inside. So basically, there's this going through the entire puzzle. And there's a little part that's not here. And pretty much that's locking into position so you can't slide it out. It's a very basic mechanism. I can remove this. Okay, so this is the sliding part. These pieces are crucial. They don't have a center tube. That is what allows this to slide. So you have to have these. Okay? And 4 of them. You need 4 of them. This is the sliding part. This is the base. Yeah, that pretty much sums up level 1. Just gonna take all this, move it out of the way, and we have level 2. Just by taking a look at this one, it does seem a bit more complex. When I was, building level 2, I wanted to make this one difficult. More difficult than level 1. So, how do we solve this puzzle? Well, the first move is this can turn. Now, the great thing is, you can turn the puzzle sideways and the ring won't go down. So it's kind of a helper. But what did this unlock? It unlocks part of the wall right here. Okay? And these steps kind of go hand in hand. You can kind of do them at the same time. Okay? So this comes out. Then we can see inside of the puzzle. Now that's what makes this one different from level 1. And one thing that might attract your attention is the fact that this wall has a little space right here. Oops. Which is right here. It's a tile. But this tile actually slides. Okay, see that? It can slide around. And you want to put the tile in the center like that. And then there's this piece on the inside which can come out. You have to sort of line it up. Now, as you can see, if the tile wasn't lined up, this wouldn't be able to come out. Okay, this part right here. And there is really only one more move to solve this puzzle. I mean, you can see inside of it, so there's not really much to hide. But the last move is this. Yep. These parts could split, which gives you just enough room to, number one, break this. Whoops. But more importantly, remove the ring. Okay. And just like that, the ring is removed. Okay. And there's the ring, pretty easy to build. Pretty similar to the other ring. It's just a little bit bigger. Okay. So we have plates, bricks, tiles. Pretty easy build. Next we have the small parts. We'll just get these out of the way. Now this part is what was holding the two together. So this part is important. This is the wall that would come out. Pretty easy to build. And this is just another chunk of the puzzle, which includes the sliding part. Okay. Then we have this part right here. Just a few pieces. Then we have this part. Very simple. And then finally, we have this part, which includes the 4-studded axle. Okay. And yeah, that pretty much sums up both ring puzzles. Here's everything. And yeah, this is how to solve and build both of the ring puzzles. That's all we have today. Bye.